All right, so I want to talk about how essential oils work for your health and your emotions. So, essential oils can be used aromatically, topically, or internally. When you smell an essential oil, cilia and receptor sites in the olfactory organ receive the aroma and send signals to the limbic system of the brain, which is the center for memory and emotion. It's also connected to areas of the brain that control blood pressure, heart rate, breathing, hormone balance, and tons of other stuff. So, scent stimulates nerves to fire in the emotional center of the brain, but it also stimulates the master gland to release hormones. Essential oils can affect us in many ways all at once, just through their fragrance. Anxiety, depression, fear, anger, and joy all emanate from this region. The scent of a special fragrance can evoke memories and emotions before we're even consciously aware of it. In studies conducted at Vienna and Berlin universities, researchers found that sesquiterpenes, so earlier we talked about constituents, so sesquiterpenes found in essential oils like vetiver, patchouli, frankincense, and sandalwood can increase levels of oxygen in the brain by up to 28%. So, such an increase in brain oxygen may lead to a heightened level of activity in the hypothalamus and limbic systems of your brain, which can have dramatic effects not only on emotions, learning, and attitude, but also on many physical processes of the body, such as immune function, hormone balance, and energy levels. So, how do you use oils aromatically? You can diffuse with an ultrasonic diffuser that Young Living offers. You can place a drop in your hands and rub your palms together in a circular motion, and then bring your hands to your face and breathe slowly and steadily for at least a minute. You can smell the oil directly from the bottle, or you can put cotton balls in air vents at home or in your car. Be careful in your car because the plastic essential oils eat petrochemicals, and a lot of stuff in our cars are made of plastic. So, hopefully, you have a better understanding of how essential oils work aromatically and why oils like peace and calming, valor, and stress away help so much emotionally when we use them aromatically. Okay, so topically, when essential oils are absorbed through the skin or lungs, they enter fluids and are distributed throughout the body, where their chemical constituents can interact with other bodily systems. So when you put an essential oil on your skin, it's absorbed within seconds. So, how to use essential oils topically? You can apply the oils directly on the desired area. More is not necessarily better, but you also want to make sure you also use enough. So, follow the dilution instructions that are on the bottle. Some oils you need to dilute, and other ones you can just put straight on. Suggested areas are your feet, behind your ears, your wrists, on the front of your neck, and the base of your skull. You can also use Vitaflex therapy to apply essential oils. So as you can see, the Vitaflex technique is an easy way to apply essential oils through the bottom of the feet. When the fingertips connect to specific reflex points, an electrical charge is released that sends energy through neuroelectrical pathways. So there's a cool little map that you can see which areas of your body correlate to the areas on your feet. We keep talking about carrier oils. Carrier oils are non-essential oils used for dilution. Some examples are coconut oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, and olive oil. Do not use Crisco or any of those kind of oils. That is not a carrier oil. That's actually really bad for your skin. So, how to use oils internally? If an oil's label indicates it can be used as a dietary supplement, then you can add it to a glass of water. Make sure that you only use glass containers. And that's because remember when we talked about how essential oils eat chemicals? So, plastic is actually made out of petrochemical. And so, when you put essential oils in a plastic bottle like Nalgene or things like that, the essential oil is going to begin breaking down that plastic, and those petrochemicals are going to end up in your water. So please just use glass or stainless steel when you're putting oils in your water. You can also use a vegetable capsule. 00 size is popular, and that's what we use. Young Living has those available. And you can also put your oils in your food. So here's some quick tips for using essential oils safely. Although most essential oils are safe for general use, the potency of some oils can cause irritation and should not be used in specific situations. So that's why Young Living always recommends checking the product label for appropriate usage. Number 1, dilute with a carrier like we talked about. Using a carrier oil will not dilute the effect of the essential oil, but it'll ensure that oils applied topically are not irritating or overpowering. So, example, something like Thieves can be kind of hot because of the cinnamon. Never use water if you experience irritation. If essential oils get in your eyes or in your kids' eyes, or if it causes irritation to your skin, then dilute the area with a safe carrier oil to alleviate the discomfort. We also recommend that you don't put oils in sensitive areas like your eyes, ears, and mucous membranes. So I promise, if an oil gets in your eye and you use, coconut oil and a cloth and just wipe it away, you're totally going to be okay.